breakdown on the Protégé from Stylecraft. This is a combo pack for beginner barbers or anyone just looking for something more affordable. What I want to start with first while I open this is, for those of you who are not familiar with Gamma or Stylecraft, which are pretty much the same thing, when it comes to the Protégé clipper as well as the Protégé trimmer, these are a more affordable pack combo of the Absolute Hitter as well as the Absolute Alpha. Gamma has the same one, and so does Stylecraft. I'm going to go ahead and do the review. Start with the clipper first. You have a Modular Capability custom body kits, as in the different covers that come with the Absolute Alpha. You got the pink, blue, and black. Don't come in this pack. All you're going to get is the Protégé clipper with the black cover. Of course, you have a click taper control, which is the click lever. You're going to have the mini USB rechargeable option. I don't think this is going to come with a dock stand like this one to charge with. That's not happening. You're going to have adjustable zero gap blade. That's an option. You have 4-hour cordless runtime with a lithium ion battery, and that's that for the clipper. As for the trimmer, you have the same thing, the Modular Capabilities with the custom body kits, which you can have the option to switch, but you're going to have to purchase those. Of course, this won't come with the pink, the black, or the blue. It's not happening. You have removable drop top skeleton, so you can remove the little piece and have it be exposed to where you can get into those hard or difficult places or areas to reach. You have the adjustable zero gap blade, that's optional. You have 4-hour cordless runtime with a lithium ion battery. So that's good to know. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Pop this bad boy off. You have the clipper, you got the click option. This can be turned into a more fluid lever if that's more your thing. Some people definitely find the click annoying. I definitely appreciate the click. This does come with a taper blade, which does work out pretty smoothly, but I'm going to go ahead and switch this into the Vapor blade. I'm going to switch the taper blade to the Vapor blade. Personally, I prefer the Vapor blade when it comes to Stylecraft. This taper blade is cool, but no thanks. I'm good on that. And if you know the differences between the taper blade and a Vapor blade, that's really something that I would save for another video. If you're interested in seeing that or have any questions about the difference between a taper blade and a Vapor blade or a fade blade, it's exactly what it sounds like. This is for tapers. This is for fading. We'll get a little deeper in a whole nother video real quick. So this is the Protégé. This thing is the same exact clipper with the Alpha. Size, everything. Literally the same thing. But I'm going to also swap the cover or the lid. I'm going to swap that. I'll probably get the pink one, probably throw that on there from my Absolute Alpha's box. Why not? I definitely don't mind the click adjusters for the lever, so I'll probably keep that. But just remember, keep in mind, if you do want to switch this to more of a fluid adjuster lever, you can definitely remove the click attachment here by just unscrewing this really quickly and removing that. It'll make it fluid. Other than that, remember, you don't have a charging dock station, which is the same thing as the Alpha. You can swap them, set this one over, simple as that. So that's the clipper. Oh yeah, before I forget, I definitely got to show you everything that does come in the box. Be aware that this combo pack won't include a mini USB charger. It will definitely have 2 chargers, of course. You can plug that in at the bottom. These are the same exact chargers, by the way. Same here. Boom. There you go. Charge these up. And you have your guard attachments for your clipper. These are magnetic. They're single magnets, just like the Alpha. These came out of the Alpha. That you have these extra ones that come for your trimmer, which I don't know too many people that use these. I don't use them. I just put these away. I'll probably use the oil, that's about it. They do give you one, yeah, they give you a single adapter. Unfortunately, you don't get two. Dang, Stylecraft, a little stingy. It's all good. We all have a bunch of these laying around somewhere, so you can just grab one of those, attach it on here. Otherwise, if you have a Gamma Plus magnetic mat like mine here, you have the charging option to just plug directly. Here we have the Protégé trimmer. Like I say, this thing is the hitter. Just a different lid, that's all that is. And I'm definitely going to remove the skeleton drop cover and keep it more like how I have my hitter. You know, it's exposed versus this one has a cover. Mind you, like I say, these things are the exact same thing. I already did get the lid that I want for this one, so I'm going to probably put the green one on there. It looks a lot cooler. I do like green. That is one of my favorite colors, so why not? But just a quick reminder how this has a charging dock. This does not come with a charging dock, so you're gonna have to plug it in, you know, like that. Otherwise, you can purchase a charging station to dock it on if it's that serious. Otherwise, you can always swap these, set this one down, and it'll work the same. Simple as that. Other than that, yeah, this is very straightforward. Like I say, this is something that I highly recommend to beginner barbers or anybody that's looking for a very affordable combo pack that does quality work. Now, for this blade on here, on the Protégé trimmer, I'm probably gonna keep this on there just because I wanna see how this thing works. Not really sure how much difference there is between the two as far as performance, but we'll find out soon. Yeah, but I highly recommend for anybody that's interested in this trimmer as well as the clipper. It's a good purchase. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and change the lids on the Protégé clipper as well as Protégé trimmer. Let's check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my clipper first. Use the pink one. So check that out. Look at that. Amazing, right? Wow. Same thing, like I say. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch the blade. I'm gonna remove this taper blade and switch it over to Vapor blade. So just for those of you who are curious, this blade is the same as the Fusion blade. Vapor Fusion blade. If you can see, try to get in a little closer on that. These blades say two different things. This one is the Vapor, this is the Fusion. They're the same exact thing. They did switch the name from Fusion to Vapor. You can do your homework on that. I think it may be legal reasons, but don't quote me on that. These blades are the same, is all you need to know. So in case you do want to purchase a new blade to replace on your clipper, remember, things are the same. This is the diamond black blade. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this thing open. And I love easy packages to open. Like, look at that. I don't gotta cut my fingers up or anything. And mind you, this is only the bottom blade. It won't come with the upper blade, which is the cutting blade. This is just the blade that stays on the back. It stays still, it doesn't move. So, it's an FYI. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that right on there. Perfect fit. And one thing I don't really do for my clippers is zero gap them. I just kind of keep a good gap between the upper and the lower blade. I don't really like to have mine too close. It could be a little dangerous. If I have to get any closer, I'll just use a trimmer. So I'm gonna pretty much match this up with my Alpha. Which, don't really want that any closer than that. This is all you need. You don't need that any closer than that. Okay. Go ahead and tighten that up. For those of you who watched my last video on me trying to adjust my alpha, if you had a good laugh about it, cool. Because if you know, you know, I don't really like to adjust my clippers. I try to demonstrate how to adjust the clipper, and it was just a disaster. It was a fail. That screw was on there pretty tight, and it would just not come off. Well, actually, both screws. I think I only loosened one. If them things had Loctite or something like that on there. This is pretty much ready to go. And these things are pretty much identical now. It's just the color. This is the same clipper. This one may sound a little different because it's more oil than this one is, but I'm gonna turn them on really quickly. But another thing about why this sounds a little weird, it did just come out of the box, so I don't know how much power was really charged into it, so that could be the deal. Otherwise, the writing on the back of this, if this was still visible, would say the exact same thing. I mean, they have the same exact motors in there. I believe these are rotary motors. And just so I'm not misleading you, let me double check that really quick. Yep, that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this thing on the charger so it can just charge really fast. Boom, stick this over here. I'm gonna move on to my Protégé trimmer. Move that down for a second. Now I'm gonna put the lid that I want on here. Man, if I haven't said this, I love packages that open easy. I'm gonna need the skeleton cover. Put that over the top of that to protect it. Now mind you, you do have this that will come with this kit, or the combo rather. So I'm just gonna put that over here, as well as this. Definitely not gonna need that. And we gotta pop that off too. We don't need that. Go ahead and put this on here. That. Put this right over that. Boom. Look at that. Perfect fit. That's a hitter. If you didn't know, now you know. Like I said, I'm not gonna change the blade on this thing. I'm gonna keep it as is. These are probably my favorite trimmers to use right now. These are my go-tos. As you can see, I have multiple hitters. This one's definitely dead, so I'm gonna charge this for a second. There we go, it's charging. So when it's blinking like that, it's indicating that it is charging. I'm gonna put all this away. And there you have it. So for anybody that's interested, I highly recommend the Protégé from Stylecraft. This is the perfect combo if you are just looking for something that's very affordable. It doesn't have all the so-called bells and whistles. You know, you don't have everything, but it's a good package. Or for like self-cuts, you name it, this is for you. It only goes for about maybe $150 if I'm not lying. This is the Protégé combo from Stylecraft. You have the Protégé trimmer and the Protégé clipper. You're set. Good.